the eastern slopes of the Rockies, Jimmy Anderson is a bit of a legend. Jimmy's part of a new generation of cowboys who've left the old idea of breaking a horse behind. He doesn't break horses. He starts them.
In the past, when we've talked about colt starting and colt breaking, that's what it was. They wanted to get a job done, kind of just force everything onto this horse. They expected the horse to jump, they expected the horse to rear, they expected him to buck, because there was no relationship. Talk about breaking the spirit, and now it's almost the opposite of what we're wanting now. We want that spirit, we want that heart, we want that desire.
I'm here to see Jimmy start a 2-year-old colt called Shiver. Until now, Shiver's only seen humans from a distance. He's never been ridden.
Now what I'm gonna do is start working myself a little bit closer to him.
I've come for the week, but Jimmy figures he'll get a saddle on sooner than that. That seems a little optimistic to me. Jimmy and Shiver aren't on speaking terms yet. Baby steps.
There. There we go. So you'll hear me talk about 2 eyes. When that horse can start to give me them 2 eyes, he also gives me his focus. Nice. He really needs to get used to this.
If he can't take that touch, he won't take a saddle.
No, we're getting him used to an external pressure. Tap this hind end and have him yield that hind end. Nice. Tap this hind end. There. Nice. I'm gonna come up here and see if I can't get some petting in there.
Jimmy knows horses are prey animals. Dogs are always looking for supper, but horses are looking for safety. And that need is Jimmy's magic key.
When I look at horses that are spooky, if he's away from the herd, he doesn't have a leader. When you get that trust and that confidence and that relationship with a horse, I mean, really sky is the limit of what you can do. When I start a colt, it's never a competition. It's more of a partnership and a relationship that we can start to get working together. I'm gonna come up here, and now with the rope, I'm gonna move them hindquarters. Move those hindquarters. Move those hindquarters. Nice.
How do you know how far to take it and when to stop?
You know, we're looking at the expression in his face, looking at that tightness through his neck. He's telling me, Jim, you can do more, or Jim, I'm getting too worried, I can't take this. So that's where I'm just reading him and letting him tell me how much. And so when I can go through this with him not getting worried and just no big deal, that's when it's going to tell me he's ready to saddle. Now he's getting good with the tarp. Nice. Good boy.
So what are you doing now, Jim?
I'm just bringing Maverick in. Maverick's going to give him a little bit of confidence as I put this saddle on.
And that's the first time?
That's the first time right there, yeah. And that's totally okay with me. He kind of got worried. He had to deal with it that way a little bit. That's totally okay. Good. There, he moved his feet, kind of tightened up, but come back. And so the next thing that I'm working here, see, every time he stops, I want him to start to look for me. There we go. Nice. That's what I want to see. That focus, that looking to me for that answer.
He's come a long way since morning.
He's come a long ways, yeah. I need to get him used to me jumping up and down here, because if I want to get on him. Really, really good changes here.
Just amazing. Completely calm.
My partner's helping me. Good. Nice.
That was just superb. That was incredible to watch.
Good boy. You know, couldn't have asked for a better first day. Good boy. And here he is for first time. Man,
Yeah, he's your best friend now, isn't he?
Yeah. When I take the halter off, what I want to see is him not leaving me. His focus isn't there. Nice. Perfect. See, and I want to be hooked up to these not through a rope or through manhandling or forcing, through their mind.
In a single morning, Jimmy and Shiver have found a common language. It's truly incredible what we can do together when a horse agrees to trust in us. After all, we sit on a horse's back exactly where a wolf would have leapt up to attack. It shows us horses judge humans, and some of us pass the test.
Horses are really amazing how much they will be a partner, and they try crazy amount, and I want to try that same amount back for them. When they give me that much trust, I can never let anything bad happen to them. When I lay Maverick down in the arena, he has given me his trust. Maverick knows I won't let something happen to him.